So here is my demo video for homework 7, and I wasn't able to get the Ajax working fully properly, but I was able to get it to work in a way where it returns the words that weren't sent to the API to be translated. I'll demonstrate it here. So you can start by typing in a message. And you can see down here that the words that weren't sent to the API were returned and the GIFs were not. But you can see that it definitely is making my JavaScript file. It just has an issue with one of the lines that grabs the URL for the GIF, and yep.